Hello, Hugong Machinery is an extensive OEM parts manufacturer with the latest technology and established in 2001, specializing in casting, forging, welding, machining, stamping and making fabrication products. Our products are applied to excavator, loader, forklift, tractor, crane, crawler, bulldozer, vehicle, and involving the parts from field of machinery industry. Our special foreign trade department is responsible for the exporting businesses. The products were exported to dozens of overseas countries such as Brazil, India, Libya, Canada, Ukraine, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and some countries from Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Hugong's existing plant covers an area of 10,000 square meters, with 1,000 square meters of office space, 200 staffs, with many more than 20 years experienced technicians. Under the ISO 9001 quality management system, our company's operation follows the high standardization, and company has complete processing testing equipment, such as CNC machining center, casting, forging, stamping machines, auto welding assembly line, two-dimensional, CMM, hardness tester and weld flaw defectors, etc. Hugong always persists in the principle of integrity-based, customers top, giving great care to the overall processes such as from production, quoting, purchasing to packing and transporting. What we are pursuing is not just profit margin, but rather a lasting win-win partnership with you. In Foreign Trade Department we also cooperate with the best and most experienced factories with approved ISO 9001 in China. We work closely with these factories to offer quick delivery and quality service to our customers. We can help you stock a parts warehouse with quality factory parts for dealer service after the sale. If you are a distributor or a dealer, please ask about our program to help build a parts warehouse for your company. You can have a close relationship with these factories and can supply mixed product shipping if necessary. All in all, we aim to supply competitively priced quality products, with the aim of creating a long-lasting cooperation for mutual benefit. Thank you.